Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to boost a post from Instagram desktop. And the reason why you want to do this is that if you go on your Instagram account on your iPhone and you decide to click boost post from a post you have on that you see on your phone, you will lose 30% of your advertising budget to Apple. Now, if you're watching this video on YouTube, in the show notes, there will be a link to all the articles about this from Instagram. But for the moment being, the way to go around this 30% charge is to either use the Meta Business Suite app, the Ads Manager app, or simply go to Instagram.com and boost your post from there. You can also do that on desktop with Meta Business Suite desktop and Facebook desktop. And I have a video that shows you how to advertise on Facebook and Instagram at the same time. But for now, let's focus on just Instagram. So Instagram.com is actually a really nice way to find analytics, to create some posts, but I mostly use it to handle notification messages because it's easier to type, and now to advertise. So if I pick a post, for example, this one, you will right away see boost posts. You can also go into your dashboard and you're going to have, I'm going to show you. From here, you're going to see ad tools and insights. This is really great. Another thing why dashboard is great is because it allows you to verify a couple of things. You always want to make sure that you're advertising from the ad account that you want to be using. Sometimes we have multiple ad accounts for some reason, so always check and look at payment settings. You can review payment settings. When you review payment settings, if I go over here, you're going to see it takes me to Meta, and then you have the information from Meta. One thing that we like to use from this and is if you need to download receipts for this, say for your accountant or something, you can go in payment activity, and then if you adjust the date here, you will see all your payment activity. All right, so this is just a side thing in other tools payment setting. But what we are trying to do is go the easy way, and simply from our home, we're going to go find the post that we want to boost. So I'm going to click boost post here. And then we go, it's always the same steps, whether you're doing you're using ads manager, or you're using Facebook to advertise, boost a post, or boosting a post with Instagram. You have to follow the same steps. And ads manager goes through the same steps, but more in depth. So first of all, you're going to see what is your goal. So what do you want people to do when they see your ads? So do you want them to visit your profile? Maybe visit your website or message you. And these are the ones that I use the most because I want to use social media to create a conversation and potential leads. And I control my website. So I want people to go exactly where I want them to go on my website. If you have a specific event or product you're trying to showcase, or if you're in real estate, you have a specific listing you want to showcase, or you might want people to message you. And in this case, they're going to get a call to action that says send a message. So choose. For now, I'm going to say, okay, I want people to go to my website and where they can find more information about my course, say. Special requirements. Remember, always, always, always check special requirements if you are talking about a property or housing, or if you're talking about a job offer, an employment post. It also applies for, I'll show you. Also have financial products and social issues, but most of us, what could ding us here would be employment or housing, real estate, insurance, mortgage, and then job certification, career opportunities. The reason why this matters is because if you do not click this and you do a housing or a job offer post, your ad will be rejected. And if you keep adding ads that are being rejected, eventually your whole account could be disabled. So really pay attention to this. what and how does that affect you? If you're, for example, you're putting a job offer, it will limit your targeting options. You'll see we'll be able to choose our audience and like target who we want this post to be seen. When you boost a post, that post is going to be seen by people that you target. So it's not necessarily going to be your followers. It's people that you think could be your potential customers or people interested by your products and services. So in this case, am I a special requirement? No, I'm just a social media course. I have all the targeting option I can use. Who should see this ad? Now, I have some audiences that have been saved, but I'm going to create my own so you can see. Here you can have an audience name and then location, age, and then you can go into more details. Use Advantage. So I'm going to click out of Advantage because I want to be able to manually choose and control who I want to target. If I say into my audience name, this is for my course, so I'm going to put course 2025 spring. And then locate who might be interested in this course. I know it's with the Whistler Chamber of Commerce. I'm going to put people that might be members of the Chamber of Commerce. And those people, it's the Whistler Chamber of Commerce. I'm going to put people in my region. And so let's say, but it's also available to people from outside the chamber. I'm going to open it to Vancouver. Okay. So this is my region. I'm going to target those people and it says, okay, this is a great amount of people targeting. See, it shows here, interest, non-specified. If I go here, I can choose some interest. So I'm going to put interested in social media and see what comes up. See, it says social media agency. I'm going to put social media and then it comes up. It's really easy to just follow the recommendation. Facebook Messenger, I say marketing and digital marketing. I can go like this. Depending of what you are using, what you type in, you can adjust this. So I can put graphic design also, and it can be small business owners and marketers, small business, and then so on and so forth, entrepreneurship, marketing, business finance. Okay, I'm not gonna, you get the idea. So you can choose follow the recommendations. Now my age, if you're talking about employment or housing, you won't be able to edit the age because we want it to be available for everybody. But in this case, I'm going to put say 25 to 55, for example, and I'm going to put all genders. Okay. I'm saving this audience and you're going to see these are the people that are going to see my ad and it says course 2025 spring. Okay. Now, what is your budget? Be very careful because sometimes it's going to switch to the daily amount you're spending or to the total amount you're going to spend. And I've made a mistake before that I'm like, oh, I'm going to spend $100 on this campaign. And I didn't pay close attention and it was like rolling at $100 a day. You want to make sure that you check, okay, what are they offering here? They're offering a daily budget. So daily budget of $7 per day. So what's the lowest I can go? I always like to see what's the lowest I can go. $3 a day. Okay, so set duration. This is another big one. You do not want to put the duration to run, how do they say it, continuously starting today, because in class we've seen so many people that click run this ad continuously starting today, and years after the ad was still running and they were still being charged on their credit card and they never kind of put it together that this is what was going on. I always put set duration. Say for example, I'm going to do it for 7 days just for argument's sake. What I like to do is always go on payment summary and double check this amount. Am I okay with this amount? Like the budget, and I teach a class, the 6 steps to social media success. It's available online. We go over like what a budget you should put on. But just for this example here, in case I forget to stop this ad, I'll just spend this. And then you click boost post. Okay. Now let's see what happens. This is that. Okay, I review my GST information. We are in Canada. This is a thing. and my ad is in review. You can check in ads tool, keep boosting on Instagram.com to save 30% in Apple service fees on your total payment. I am not kidding you. I'm going to actually screenshot this because this is like the most important thing. So, okay, I'm good to go, right? So now I want to see, where is my ad? Can I see if it's performing? What is happening? What does it look like? Here I go in my dashboard, and let's have a look in my ad tool. So my ad is in review, and here it is. And if I want to click learn more, this is what's happening. If I want to delete it, if I want to see inside, this is where I will go. Okay. I always like to also check my ads in Ads Manager, because this doesn't give me a ton of opportunity to manage this ad. But you can see, if you decide that you don't want it anymore, you could go from it. If I go into this one, see an old ad and see what happens. So see, this is the old one I did, and I can see the data from my ad, and I could go back and boost it again or learn from my analytics. So that's it. Now you know how to boost a post on Instagram and how to track what is happening with your ad afterwards. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because you will see all the other information there is about advertising on desktop. And also, to find out more about my course, The 6 Steps to Social Media Success, go to catherinehirt.ca. Thank you.